Next, we're just going to define all of your beautiful features, and we're going to take a deep bronzed powder, and we're just going to take this in kind of circular motions just to buff that product in, and we're going to take it in a kind of a 3, so along the cheekbone here and then down by the jawline.
I never knew how to apply this properly.
Oh, it's so easy. The number 3, that's all you need to remember.
I was doing like 15. I was all over my face, getting all in the wrong places.
For blush, I love using cream-based products.
Same.
Whether you're using a liquid or a cream, I feel like it always just gives you that gorgeous youthful glow, which is what we want as our skin ages. We obviously lose that collagen, lose that glow within our skin, and we've got these gorgeous makeup products. So just add that back in. So I'm using this cream blush, which is super, super easy to use, and I feel like you get so much pigment when you're using a cream. So you just need a tiny little bit of product, and you're just gonna buff that in using your fingertips.
And I prefer a cream as well because I find it more hydrating than the powder. I think sometimes the powder can just dry my cheeks. I feel like, why does my cheeks feel dry? And it's because I put a blusher on, which is just drying, it's just powder.
Exactly. Sometimes with powder products, because they can kind of sit in the lines, it just kind of almost ages you. So it's nice to use creamy products that are just going to give you that gorgeous flush of colour, but we're getting that hydration as well with this product. And it just looks so luminous, it gives you that glow. And if you're not sure where to put your blush, you're just gonna smile. And then we're just gonna go on the apples of the cheeks right there.
I thought you did this thing.
No, that's when you're contouring.
Oh,
that was the number 3. You can...
Right, gotcha. I've been doing it wrong my whole life.
I also love to take a little bit of blush just on the bridge of the nose there, just to tie the look together.
Oh, nice. There we go. I look like I've got rosier cheeks now. Yes.
Love it. Again, still on the theme of using our cream and liquid products to add that gorgeous, healthy glow to the skin. We're gonna take a liquid highlight, and we're gonna use our best tools, which is our fingertips. Helps to warm the product up and melt it into the skin, so it's not sitting on top, it's sinking in to give you that natural glow. And we're just taking it over the cheekbones there. We're gonna take it on this lovely brow arch right here, just to enhance that bone structure. Again, we're gonna take it on the bridge of the nose right here. I love to do a little bit on the Cupid's bow, just to give you some highlight there. We're just highlighting all the areas of the face where we want to highlight. And then again, just taking that over this side on the cheekbone.
I think that's probably my favourite thing that you've used actually today, because I could instantly see the definition in my cheekbones, in my face. It really looks like you're contouring with this.
Exactly. It's a great way if you're not sure about contouring, if you don't normally contour your face, we can actually just skip the contour and we can go and highlight away, and it's giving you that sculpted look as well.
Oh, we will love a sculpted look.
Gorgeous.
Yay, look at that. Oh, I love the glow that you get from it.
Exactly, it gives you that gorgeous natural dew to the skin. And you can also use this product if you want to. You could apply it underneath your foundation or mix it in with your foundation as well to give you a glowy base.